Introduction. Toasting Booth is a design project that aims to bring awareness to the dangers of tannin. Concept and research. Contrary to most people's beliefs, tannin can be very damaging to skin. There are no benefits with tannin other than pure aesthetics. Long-time exposure to the sun or tannin beds can lead to premature aging and even skin cancer. Our research shows that general demographics of tannin bed users were typically Caucasian females. They get tans for various reasons. For some, it could be the matter of insecurity or trying to look like their favorite celebrities. Others think that a base tannin can help protect their skin from the sun. For our project, we want to address the dangers of tannin beds. Tannin beds or tannin booths are particularly worse because it can expose you to 5 times more radiation than the sun, which leaves you susceptible to serious skin cancers like melanoma. We use a toaster as a metaphor because we think bread is treated similarly to what tannin beds do to the humans. Prototype. Our current prototype is a modified toaster. The toaster stands erect to emulate tannin booths. The LED further enhances the emulation. The casing is made from acrylic. This gives several benefits. The density of the materials allow for the sturdy block form. The transparency allows for the users to see what happens inside. This will hopefully give them a well-hypothesized glimpse of what really happens inside a tannin booth. Deployment. In order to test the effectiveness of our project, we organized a field test. For our test, we told the user to use our device once every day for 7 days. The user was also asked to use it alternatively, between a daytime setting and a nighttime setting. This will hopefully help to maximize the LEDs to their fullest potential. The user was given 2 types of breads to use with our device. We told the user to use the regular squared bread for the first 3 days, then for the rest of the week use human-shaped bread. This progression will hopefully aid in the realization of the metaphor, a person using a tannin booth. Lastly, they were asked to leave a diary entry of reflecting thoughts after each use to give us data that can help with future improvements for our design.
My name is Vanessa. I'm 18 years old and currently in UBC as a student. I really like tanning because pretty much all the celebrities and like everyone on Jersey Shore, they look pretty good and I want to be like that. And also, I think I go about 2 times a week for tanning. Well, at first I thought it was just a toaster, but when I looked at it more carefully and I saw the way it was designed with the LED lights in the front and then the bread going in and toasting to a darker color, it made me think more of a tanning salon. And then after they gave me the human-shaped bread, it made me wonder about a few things. Well, the concept of the human-shaped bread made me a little bit suspicious. I wasn't really sure about it, and when I started to think about it, it was almost like a human being being cooked to be a darker color, and I just don't think that, for me, that I really want that. It's just too damaging to the skin. Thinking about the concept of using the human-shaped bread inside a toaster is just, it makes me think of us going to the tanning salons and that we sort of cook ourselves to get into a darker color. And to think that I'm damaging my skin like that, I wouldn't really want to. Well, just thinking about myself now going back to that tanning bed and to practically be cooking my skin, it makes me think it's all not worth it, and I don't want to damage my skin like that. And it also opens my eyes to all the side effects I've heard of it, one of the worst being skin cancer. No, I didn't. I ate the normal one though. I don't know, the toasty smell was alluring and I was really hungry, but it was just too weird for me. The thought of eating like burnt human skin is just, I couldn't do it anymore. I'd rather skip it.